How to change password in MEXC application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are looking for a way to update your password for security purpose on MEXC app, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the MEXC application on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the home page, go to the upper left corner and tap on the human icon. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page where you need to click on Security from the bottom menu. Under Security, go to Password tab and tap on Change right next to Password. Now, go ahead and enter your current or the old password for your MEXC app in the first field. And head over to the next field and then type in the password, including the criterias. Make sure to type in the new password you want to change to in this text box. Finally, click on the Confirm Password box at the bottom and type in your new password once again. Finally, click Confirm and you'll be able to change your password in MEXC. Once the password is changed, you'll get a success notification and there you go. Next time you try to log into your account, make sure that you type in the new password you've changed to. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.